Math is everywhere. When I drive, the speedometer, when you accelerate, when you brake, I mean, even the green and red lights, everything is math. Even one of those loud garage doors. So here we are in a world full of math. I mean, we know how to solve math. Like, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 divided by 2 is... Yeah, you know what I mean. So, I want to take you guys on a journey that will be more exciting than going to Cancun, Mexico. A journey that will be more mysterious than going to anywhere in this world. A journey to implicit differentiation. Throughout this video, we will be learning how to solve implicit differentiation. But before we do that, you must know some basics. Before you proceed with this video, please know how to do addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And also how to derive a derivative. If you don't know those, please go back to your previous chapters and study those before you take this lesson. Before we go into this crazy math problems, I think it is very important for us to review what explicit and implicit means. Well then, what does the word explicit mean? It means the formula itself is there. It's right there. It's pretty obvious. How about implicit? Well, it means that it's implied. The formula must be determined with your math skills. Now, that wasn't too hard, was it? Well, it is time for us to discover the simple examples that shows the basic idea of implicit differentiation. Now, let's go with the simple question, shall we? Number 1, find dy over dx for x equals y squared. To solve this problem, we must follow a set of a process which was discovered by a bunch of smarties. Number 1, use the explicit rules to find the derivative. Number 2, collect all terms with dy dx on one side. All other terms should be moved to the other side. Factor dy dx out and then divide to solve for dy dx. Back to the problem. We shall use the process to successfully solve this problem. Number 1, use the explicit rules to find the derivative. Number 2, collect all terms with dy dx on one side and the all other terms should be on the other side. And factor out dy dx if necessary. And divide to solve for dy dx. And that is how you solve implicit differentiation. Now that wasn't too hard, was it? If it was, you are more than welcome to rewind the video and do it all over again. But for now, we are going to move on. So let's try this problem. 2x minus y equals negative 3. This problem should not be a problem at all if you just follow the process. And here is how you do it. Kind of easy, right? So I think we should speed up our pace a little bit. From now on, I am going to show you some examples showing only product rule and quotient rule, some examples showing multiple terms and product, and evaluation of a derivative at a point. I will also show you examples finding second derivative and some applications involving implicit differentiation. So, let's get started. I'm gonna give you some questions for each topic. You're gonna pause the video, solve the questions, and then resume the video to watch the magic happen. Topic number 1, product rule. Make sure to use uvu, not the one that you video chat with your friends, but the one with 2 dots. Question number 1. Find dy dx for 2xy plus 2x squared equals 0. Solution time. Question number 2. Find dy dx for xy plus 2x plus 5x squared equals 0. Solution time. Topic number 2, quotient rule. Make sure to use v over v square. Question number 1. Find dy dx for x over y plus 2x squared equals 0. Another solution time. Question number 2. Find dy dx for 3x plus 5 plus y over x equals 0. Was that hard? Well, here's the solution. Topic number 3, multiple terms and product. Question number 1. Find dy dx if y cubed minus 4y squared equals x to the 5th power plus 3x to the 4th power. That wasn't too easy, but here is the solution. Question number 2. Find dy dx if sine y squared minus cosine x squared equals cosine y squared plus sine x squared. Now that was a definite pain in the ass, but here is the solution. Topic number 4, evaluating derivative at a point. Question number 1. Find the derivative of 3x squared minus 4y squared plus y equals 9 at a point 2, 1. That wasn't too easy, but here is the solution. Topic number 5, finding the second derivative. Here is the problem. And here's the solution. Topic number 6, applications involving implicit differentiation. Question number 1. Write the line tangent to x squared y plus y equals 4 at x equals -1. That wasn't too easy, but here is the solution. Question number 2. Write the line normal to xy plus 3x squared y plus x equals -14 at x equals 2. Another solution time. Last but not least, our final question on applications. Here's the question. A police cruiser approaching a right-angled intersection from the north is chasing a speeding car that has turned the corner and is now moving straight east. When the cruiser is 0.6 miles north of the intersection and the car is 0.8 miles to the east, the police determine with radar that the distance between them and the car is increasing at 20 miles per hour. If the cruiser is moving at 60 miles per hour at the instant of measurement, what is the speed of the car? Step 1. Picture. Step 2. Information. Step 3. Equation. Last step, step 4. Solve.